We are back. GT500 Eleanor build from Fanhome. It has been a minute. Several boxes behind now. I think the last vid I posted was like in February. Jeez. This one is book 6. So there'll be 4 packs up in here. Ooh, you know, looks like we got a freebie. Stay tuned to see what that freebie is. Let's see what we got in here. I think I'll try to do like I've done in all my other, or in my previous vid, where I knock out all these packs in one video, making a little bit longer video, but we're still at that stage, I think, with some of these packs where there's not a lot in them to do separate vids. Because, I mean, look at this. What we got here? 19, 20, which just looks like a piece of a frame. 21 and 22. I mean, there's like almost nothing in those. Looks like we're going to work on a seat. Probably going to wind up something like this one. So, what do you want to do? Let's see what the freebie is. So you don't tune out on me and miss it. Let's see what the freebie is. Ooh, okay. Okay. This is kind of cool. Whoa. So we got a little mug here. It's a 3-finger handle. My fingers are a little bunched up in there, but pretty good thumb rest there. This thing's plasticky feeling. So what's this for? I don't know. So I got a USB into a car style auxiliary type charger, like you'd plug into like your cigarette light, old school cigarette lighter. But oh, right there, duh. I thought it didn't plug in, but it does. So we got a thermal mug, so must have a little heating element in there. That's kind of interesting. Kind of a metal out exterior, but hey, coffee. Lock your car, or it may be gone in 60 seconds. Cool, freebie. Not bad. All right, let's knock out this book here. These little books, these little assembly books are nice. They're small. Okay, let's kind of adjust this camera here. Hope everyone's doing well at the time of filming this. Hopefully you're doing good. Hopefully the country's doing good, and I'll leave it at that, because we are in some wild times. But we're going to keep those politics out of this video. At least that's my plan. Alright, 19. Let me get all these parts out. And we got a PSO5 screw pack. Okay. So we're going to take... work around this camera. I don't have a good setup over here. We're going to take this chromy looking plastic piece, and it's going to go in here. It's got some trash up in there. See if I can't clean that out. Doing this right? What's going on here? Still, there's junk in there. Get a knife and see if I can't clean this hole out. It's got kind of, what you call it, like this plasticky chrome bit is overlaying it, where it's not slipping over these studs here. What in the world? Why is that not going in? Freaking aggravating. It is hot here. Freaking hot here. And I'm down in the basement. I'm hot. It's normally cool down here. So I'm going to ream this little hole out a little bit because it's no bueno. We'll get it to work. Maybe. There we go. That one's good. Now what are we missing? This one over here. Gosh, I didn't have to do that with this. With the other one, I don't think. This one got a little bit of trash in it. Okay. Overly complicated seat assembly. There we go. Wow, hopefully you don't have to do that on yours, but I mean, it's not a big deal. Just had to ream that hole out a little bit. They want two. They want a P05 and a P05, and a P05 and a P05. Okay. Let's bring you down. I need more lighting over here. This is ridiculous. Okay. P05. P for plastic. I'll just snug it down. Don't over tighten. And one more. That's done. Now, this nice rubbery filling piece here, it's just gonna, it's got little nubbins. So those are gonna line up in these corresponding nubbin receptacles. Snap it into place. There that is. That is done. Nice. Okay. Easy. 19 is complete. Keep that extra screw. 20. So kit 20, pack 20, whatever it is. They're calling it kit. We get this big giant, it says here, in this phase you receive a rear part of the chassis. In the following phase you'll begin to assemble the mechanical parts that will be fixed to the section. Okay. So, okay. So we're definitely doing 21 with it and probably 22. So we're going to open up 20, which they're calling 20A. I like it when we start getting to the chassis pieces. Start feeling like you're actually building a car. So this is a big kerchunker piece of metal here. I dig it. So let me get 21 out. This will be the bottom, it's plastic, bottom of the fuel tank. And how are we orienting this? So like this, like that. There we go. Need to get a side light, couple side lights over here. Oh man, that's popped it right back out. Pop it back on. Okay, so that's on. Now 22. Told you. I do kind of like working all these at once. I have a book with the Enterprise, Build the Enterprise. It's like one little stage at a time, usually, because there's so much more to do there. Alright, what screws do we got here? I've already sliced and diced the package. PSO5. Get some of these out. And it's plastic. Flip this guy over. Make sure this is oriented correctly. This piece here will be out like that, towards this way. Give me one of these PSO5s. Just gonna kind of sandwich it, hold it in my hands there, and I'll put 4 total in there. Just snug them down, one in each corner. Number 3. Who's out there watching? Post a comment down below if you're watching. Oh, that helps me out. I kind of spent too much time, too big of a gap on this playlist, on this build here. So hit the like button, please. Post a comment. Let me know you're watching. Post whatever you want down there. There we go. That is done. Wow, okay. So we get a little background information in the back of this book about Eleanor. Nice little centerfold. Ooh la la. Little info on the movie, behind the scenes, original movie as well. Something about movies back then, they were just good. Alright, here we go, the cars. There's Jessica, 69 Plymouth Roadrunner, Superbird. She's fine. We got Rose, 87 Ferrari Testarossa. We're talking about the Mustang fastbacks in the movie. So that's our 2 girls for the back of the book here. Wow, okay, that one's done. Not bad. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll knock out the next box sooner than later. Boom.